Icebreakers are a great way to get your session started with high energy and to get participants to mingle. Here are three of my favorite icebreakers used for introductions. The first one is called peers. Instead of the usual round robin way of having participants introduce themselves, why not have them introduce another member of the team? You can achieve this objective by randomly pairing participants, or you can have them pick similar numbers from a hat. To do this, you will now need to allow participants at least 2 or 3 minutes to interact and to get to know each other. You may provide some guidelines to participants as to what you expect from the introduction and what information they must gather from their partner. After this, they are now ready to introduce their partner. They can start by saying something like, I would like to introduce my new friend Charlotte. Charlotte is, and they go on to introduce their friend. You can take it a little further by asking the pairs to now sit together and they will be partners for the rest of the training. My second favorite introductory icebreaker is called Things in Common. To do this, you will ask participants to write their name on a sheet of paper and you will provide them with five common things. This could be favorite food, place of birth, middle child or first child in the family, school they attended, any simple facts about them. They must now walk around and, in discussion, find others that have things in common. They will then write the names of those individuals that they have things in common with. Once you do this activity, there is no longer a need for you to have each participant introduce themselves or others. You can wrap up this great icebreaker by simply asking participants to tell you what they found out. Have a few of them tell you how they found the activity and whether they found anyone who had everything in common like themselves. The last activity is called Mingle. For this activity, simply have participants write their name on a sheet of paper and one fun fact about themselves. They will go around the room and have others read their introductory paper. In this activity, they can also find out whether maybe they have things in common with others. So, in introducing yourself, for example, maybe I will place my name on the paper, Charlotte. And one fun fact about me is that I have an identical twin sister. There may be other participants in the room who also have twins. The goal of this activity is to get participants not just to interact, but to have stimulating discussion, and it sure is to create a burst of energy. These are great introductory icebreakers that you can try. There are so many others that you can also use.